Hey everyone! In this video we're going to talk about simplifying fractions. Here's the FLT. Given a fraction, I will be able to simplify it by using the idea of greatest common factors. So this is basically a continuation from our earlier video about the GCF. So let's take a look at how to simplify fractions. So you can simplify a fraction by finding the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. So if I had something like 16 over 24, 16 is my numerator, and then 24 is my denominator. So how can we simplify this fraction? Let's actually make this our first example. So in our first example, we're going to simplify the fraction 16 over 24. What I want to do first is list out the factors for both the numerator and the denominator. So for both 16 and 24. The factors of 16 are the following: 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. And then 24 has these factors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then we also have 8, 12, and 24. So let's first look at what factors are in common here. So we have 1, 2, 4, and also 8. So our greatest common factor is 8. So what we're going to do is divide both the numerator and denominator by this greatest common factor, 8. So we have 16 over 24, and I'm going to divide both numbers by 8 because 8 is our GCF. 16 divided by 8 equals 2 over 24 divided by 8 equals 3. We've simplified this fraction. 2 over 3 is the same thing as 16 over 24, just written more simply. Okay, next let's simplify the fraction 3 over 9. Again, your first step is to write out the factors for both 3 and 9. So the factors of 3 are simply 1 and 3. That's it. And then our factors of 9, we have 1, and then 3, and 9. So 1 and 3, these are the factors they share in common. And the greatest common factor is 3. So we're going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 9 divided by 3 equals 3. We simplified the fraction to 1 over 3. On Edpuzzle, please simplify this fraction, 8 over 20. Remember, you want to divide both the numerator and denominator by the GCF of 8 and 20. Okay, for this next example, we have negative 6 over 21, and we're going to simplify this fraction. Notice that it's a negative, but we'll just leave that on the side until the end. Our factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. And our factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, and 21. So what's our greatest common factor here? Here's the common factors. Our GCF is 3. And if you feel like I'm going too fast, remember you can always pause the video or rewind so that you can better understand what we're talking about. So from here, what is my next step? Well, I want to divide both the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor, which in this case is 3. So we have negative 6 over 21, and we divide both by 3. Just leave that negative on this side, don't forget about it. So negative 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So we simplified the fraction to negative 2 over 7. This is your last example for this video. Please simplify the fraction negative 12 over 30. All the steps are the same, just remember that we have a negative right here. So this was just a very quick lesson about simplifying fractions. So just as a review, you can simplify a fraction by finding the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Please remember to submit your notes on Canvas. Thank you.